When it comes to detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon Sector 29, SCON Design is a name that stands out. With their expertise in providing top-notch survey services, they have become the go-to choice for many clients in the region. Detail engineering surveys are essential for any construction project as they provide accurate measurements and data that help in the design and planning phases. SCON Design understands the importance of precision and accuracy in these surveys, and they employ state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled professionals to ensure the highest level of quality in their services. Gurgaon Sector 29 is a rapidly developing area with numerous construction projects taking place. The demand for detail engineering survey services has never been higher, and SCON Design has been at the forefront of meeting this demand. They have a deep understanding of the local regulations and requirements, making them the ideal choice for any project in this area. Their team of experts is well-versed in conducting surveys in Gurgaon Sector 29, and they are equipped with the latest tools and equipment to carry out these surveys efficiently. SCON Design offers a wide range of detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon Sector 29. They can provide accurate measurements of land, buildings, and structures, which are crucial for design and planning purposes. They also offer topographic surveys to map out the natural and man-made features of a site. This information is invaluable in determining the feasibility of a construction project and ensuring that all design elements are properly integrated into the existing landscape. Whether it's a small-scale residential project or a large commercial development, SCON Design has the expertise and resources to deliver high-quality detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon Sector 29. SCON Design is a name that stands out when it comes to detail engineering survey services in Gurgaon Sector 29. They have established themselves as the go-to choice for many clients in the area, thanks to their skill in offering top-notch survey services. Any construction project needs detailed engineering surveys because they offer precise measurements and data that support the design and planning stages. SCON Design uses cutting-edge technology and highly qualified personnel to provide the greatest level of quality in their services because they recognize how important precision and accuracy are in these surveys. Gurgaon Sector 29 is a rapidly growing neighborhood with many active construction projects. Detail engineering survey services are in greater demand now than ever before, and SCON Design has been at the forefront of supplying them. They are the perfect choice for any job in this area because they have a thorough awareness of the regional laws and specifications. Their team of professionals is experienced in conducting surveys in Gurgaon Sector 29, and they have the most recent tools and equipment to complete these surveys successfully. In Gurgaon Sector 29, SCON Design provides a broad variety of detail engineering survey services. For design and planning applications, they can provide precise